Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tools, and in this video I'll be going to show you how to crop any footage or any clips in Capcut PC. So for example, I'm just drag and drop two clips here, two different dimension aspect ratio. So first of all, landscape, or you can see, and second one is this one. But if you want to crop this, then you can make it like that. For example, you have to choose the clip, which clip you want to crop. So I just click the second one, this one, and after that you can see the last option, crop. Okay, simply click on that, and after that you can change the ratio. So click here, and if you make it here, this one, or you can, like, if you're free, then you can do it according to your thinking or according to your project. And after that, if I choose this one, then okay, this one, and confirm. So you can see now it's adjust with the previous one, this one, and this one are similar. So you can do it. So to friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.